Hi everyone. In this video, let us learn three important formulas used in Excel. So the first one is, let us say you have this Excel sheet in which there is a cost of each item mentioned and the total quantity ordered by the client is mentioned in front of it. And you need to calculate the total cost of each and every item for particular client. So you can use a formula is equal to product, select the first cell, that is the cost of item, comma, quantity ordered, select second cell, bracket close, enter. And it multiplies these two values, gives you the result here. In order to do it for the complete range, use autofill, double click, and you get the product for each and every row. Now, if you want to calculate the total amount received from all the clients together, here you have to use the formula sum and give the complete range. Selecting this cell, control shift down arrow, selects the complete range, bracket close, enter. And this is the total amount received. If you want to calculate the average amount received, you have to use the formula is equal to average, going to the cell, control shift down arrow, selects the complete range, bracket close, enter. So this is the average amount received and this is the total amount received. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.